Okay, so we're gonna try to go down around here a little bit. And we just came up from up that way, which is Sao Paulo ruins, and we walked all the way down. And now we're gonna try to go into this space a little bit. It's behind Sao Paulo ruins, but it's kind of interesting. So let's try it out. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, that kind of goes up into that Sao Paulo ruins area. Let's check out this. So you can see this little alley right here. And I'm going to try to go in. And it's kind of interesting. First time I saw it, I was kind of curious about, what's behind these things. Sometimes there's dogs, so I have to be a little bit careful. But we're just going to see what we can see back here. I've been in here before, but it's been quite a while. But you'll see kind of open houses. And I think we're just going to be able to walk down one of these. But yeah, basically you just have like a labyrinth of like cool stuff everywhere. So you could walk down that way. Here's a place that's closed. Here's somebody's balcony. Places to sit. It's really community oriented back in here. These little things that are closed. I mean, that aren't another place to sit. So you can tell that there's like good community of people back here, right? Probably priced out of the expensive market of Macau. I think we could get out that way, but I kind of want to keep on walking down. And you can overlook. Oh, this looks really cool. We're gonna keep on walking down. Got a garden in here. Huh. Those guys behind me are speaking Tagalog. I would have thought this was mostly... wow. Those look like they've been here for a long time. Let's gather. So this little alley, I don't know the name of it. I think probably these ones are given the same street address. Horses. Oh, that might be somebody's yard. Property. And you keep navigating all the way around in here. Or we can step right back out here. But I think I'm kind of curious to go down. Nice apartment though, wow. I haven't been down this way before. You never know if you're going to run into a dog, that's the problem. This could be a dead end down here too, I don't know. So it looks like there's labyrinths of all kinds of stuff. Somebody's yard right there. Looks pretty cool. So I'll just keep on walking down. There's a cat. Friendly cat. Hello. Ah, lighting is amazing. All these tiny little alleys that go into people's... That cat has a leash. Huh, we got a nice balcony right there. I guess he's on the leash. He's gonna walk that way, but maybe we can't go any further. Let's just go back this way. Could go down these little things, but yeah, that dog looks a little bit vicious. should go. I think that goes behind the dog. So anyways, there's this whole little labyrinth of different apartments that are down this way. And yeah, there are little enclaves like this around in Macau. And that's one of the issues is dogs. So it looks like that probably goes right up to these apartments over there. There's probably a street that goes down these little ways. And what we're gonna do is come out of here. I just want to show you that this is behind Sao Paulo ruins. Look at these cables. Wow, those are really crusty. And there's Sao Paulo ruins right there. So we're on this kind of cobblestone street. And that's the back side of Sao Paulo ruins. So you can see how close that is to where we were just at, right? So like right behind the ruins, there's all these little like squatter looking places with little balconies and tables and chairs and clothes that are out and stuff like that. So you're like really in a neighborhood. And now we're gonna be, let's see what street this is. Calçada de Sao Paulo. So it's behind Sao Paulo ruins, but I guess this little street is called a calçada. So basically that's Sao Paulo ruins. We get to the front and show you, and then that is behind it. So Calçada de Sao Paulo. So if somebody was curious where that's at, you would just follow it through the back of Sao Paulo ruins. Now we're back on this side. So now you can see there's a fortress up there, overlooks the city. I think it's the tallest in the city. Then you can overlook Grand Lisboa Casino. And then here's Sao Paulo ruins right there. So we're basically just behind it. We're in the back of it. So kind of interesting that we were able to come in that little spot and see what we saw. And over here you got this nice view. There we go, looks so nice today. We'll end it right there. Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha.